We're at 3350 Greenbriar Circle, Unit B. This is the back unit on the fourplex. We're entering through our front door here. Directly in front of us, we have our living area, which is open to our dining area. Right behind our front door, we have a coat closet for some good storage space. Sliding glass door to our backyard. We do have a storage shed off of the patio as well, and the backyard is enclosed. So here's that backyard. Nice and quiet backyard. Heading back inside, we'll go to the kitchen. So we're going in through our dining area. We have a large pantry, lots of good cabinet space. All appliances are included. Heading down the hallway. At the end, you'll see our washer and dryer units, but we're going to take a right into our guest bedroom. We have laminate flooring in the bedrooms. This is on the back side of the unit, so good privacy. This could be a home office, a child's bedroom, storage, whatever you would need. Heading back out, we'll go to our master. This is the larger of the bedrooms, again on the back side of the home. We do have a walk-in closet with this bedroom. The closet is accessible from this bedroom and from the bathroom. So through that door is our water closet. So here is that bedroom again. Heading back out now. Here is our washer and dryer closet. And then we have our bathroom here. So we have our vanity room with a linen closet, and then through another door we have a private commode and water room. And then there's our master closet door. So heading back out, again, this is 3350 Greenbriar Greenbriar Circle, Unit B, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.